Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to systemize your YouTube content creation? In this video, I'll show you how to build a complete production workflow using Asana's free plan. First, create a new project called YouTube Content Pipeline. Now, set up your sections to represent each stage of production. Create sections like ideas and research, script writing, filming, editing, thumbnail, and SEO, and scheduled. Each video is a task. Create a task for your next video idea and drag it into the Ideas section. Use subtasks to break down each video. Add subtasks like Write First Draft, Finalize Script, Book Filming Location, and Edit First Cut. Assign these to yourself or team members with due dates. Use custom fields to track key details. Add a video length number field, a published date field, and a status dropdown with options like on track and delayed. For your script and planning docs, add links to Google Docs or Asana's own docs in the task description. Switch to the calendar view to see all your videos plotted by their published date for a perfect visual schedule, and that's it. You now have a structured, repeatable workflow to take your videos from idea to published, all within Asana's free plan. If you build this workflow, let me know how many videos you're managing in the comments. See you in the next one.